Welcome to Georgetown, a city on Penang Island, just across mainland Malaysia, over there, just behind the celebrity cruises. Not seen any celebrity to be honest, but from all over the world they came here to trade because there were no taxes, and therefore now there is food from every culture, lots of spices. Therefore I will start the day by eating in a place for locals only, and then we're gonna move to a more touristy market. I've seen people eating this food called Mee Goreng. Hello, do you have this one? Mee Goreng? Or where do I go? There? Okay, thank you so much. At night here there is not even a seat available. Imagine it's completely full of people, but we are so early in the day because I need to eat lots of food. This is my breakfast. Hello. Can I have this Mee Sotong?
Yeah, Mee Sotong.
Yeah, this is this one.
Yeah.
Well, what do you put inside?
Yeah, mee brown noodles. Yes.
Brown noodles and squid. Okay, let's do it. Can I see when you cook it?
I cook it, yeah.
Can I see? Can I? Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, I'm very curious. What is the price?
Oh. Where are you from?
Italy. Italy, yeah. Where are you from? Malaysia or India?
India.
India. Okay. This food is Malaysian or Indian food?
Malaysian food.
Malaysian food. I've seen like 10% of the population here is Indian, so lots of Indians. Let's see how this food is made. Oh, onions. No, garlic.
Garlic.
2 pieces of garlic. Yeah, I see. Maybe 4. 4 pieces of garlic. No girl is gonna kiss me tonight. Well, what are those? Spicy something.
Spicy.
Okay. Those over here.
In Malaysian in Koshida.
Koshida. This is sugar probably. Oh my.
Chili.
I prefer food without sugar, but we need to eat in a traditional way. They all mixed together. Very nice. We go with the noodles.
So noodles.
That's so nice. So that's why it gets red, it's so spicy. And we get this, is it tomato or tomato?
Yeah, tomato.
Tomato. And some water. Now we add the squid, right?
Yeah, squid.
So it's like a pasta with veggies and squid. Hello. Even egg. Wow. So many things. What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm learning how to cook.
Italy,
yes. Are you from India?
Yeah,
Okay. Were you born in India or were you born here? You were born in India for 2 years? No, you came here for 2 years. Okay. This is a massive plate. Very nice. It's gonna be a very heavy breakfast.
Sotong.
Oh, then we put it here. This is probably the way to clean it. Very interesting process. I'm learning a lot today. This is the squid? No.
Squid.
So it was pre-cooked. Yeah, in many tiny pieces. Okay. Malay Indian food with lots of spices. There we go. Is it ready? Oh, nice. Okay, let's go. Risotto? Mee Sotong. Okay, perfect. Thank you. How much do?
Thank you.
No, come on. Looks very nice. Oh. Let's do it here. Super nice dish. Looks very fancy. Completely different from the plates I've seen on the other side because they use an oval plate. This one is round. So it is a massive squid plate. And also pasta on top. juicy sauce. Let's mix it all together. It's gonna be spicy 100%. The squid is chopped in very tiny pieces. I'm so glad that they didn't give me chopsticks to eat this tiny pasta. It's clearly a seafood pasta. Oh! I guess the squid gets chopped and marinated for a while, then kept in the fridge. And once you prepare the noodles, you simply throw it on top of it, mix it all together, and then it's ready to go. Ready to go. Much appreciated. Good job, chef. Thank you. Dhanyavad. One thing I noticed about Malaysia is they never give you napkins. Therefore, go to 7-Eleven and save your life to not appear like you have a lipstick. Hopefully not. How much should I give you? Come on, please. A little. He doesn't want to let me pay.
No thanks, no thanks.
Okay, well, what is the name? Mee Goreng food. Thank you. Thank you for letting me shoot this video. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Wow, guys, you are so kind. Do you have any suggestion? Later I want to try more Penang food. What else can I eat over there? What do you suggest?
Dia bukan nak berjawab dia. Atas set ni mi patak. Yang Hamid patak.
Pota.
Hamid patak, Hamid.
Amir Pota.
Hamid patak.
Go straight,
Yeah?
then right.
Straight and right.
Go straight, then right.
Can you show me on Google Maps? Yeah. They suggested Hamid Pada Mee Sotong. But what else can I eat from this island that is not Mee Sotong? Another food?
Demas. Mee Goreng. Only seafood.
Sauce spinach sauce.
Gani.
Only seafood.
Only
Prawns,
seafood.
going crab.
Oh, okay. And is it Malay food? Is it India?
Penang.
Penang food?
Penang.
Penang food. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's go try.
Okay.
Thank you guys. You're so kind. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Thank you so much. See you. Hello. How are you? Drinking coffee?
Yes, okay.
Oh, nice.
Ini this. Silongka.
Yeah, you're friends. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hello. Hello. I will go try some food. Thank you. Breakfast becomes lunch and dinner all together. Let's go find out. Hello. How does it work, this? Ghani famous Passport food. I don't know how to order it. I have no idea what is that. Who to order it. And here, no, this is not as attractive. Hello. Who is it? Hi. Can I try some food? Nobody wants to work. What's your name? Umar. Nice to meet you. Mikhail maybe. What is the most typical food here? What is
All seafood.
all seafood? What do you suggest? What should I get? Is it potatoes or is it?
Yeah, potato.
Okay, potatoes are heavy. What about this one?
Chicken.
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 You told me it's all seafood, but now it's chicken. Okay. And this?
Tofu.
Huh?
Tofu.
Tofu. What is the most typical thing that people? Okay, let's try this one. Thank you. What is that, by the way? What do you say? What?
This one.
Kukur udang.
Chuchur.
Chuchur udang. Let's go for it. Okay. As simple as that. It's already ready.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's have it.
You want sauce?
Do you put sauce?
Yeah.
Show me the typical way. Yeah. Absolutely. Chuchur udang. I guess you bite it, it's gonna be super crunchy. Here are all the other food selection. Looks like meat to me, it doesn't look like seafood. Here fish balls, maybe more tofu. These look like eggs, and I have no clue. I think it's getting emotional. udang. I guess it's breaking it into tiny pieces, adding the sauce.
Just mixing.
Yeah,
Spicy, spinach
spicy is okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I see? Oh. Okay. So we go. Chuchurudang.
Udang, this one cucumber, spinach sauce.
Thank you for helping out. You know everything here. I can see you were born on this island. Thank you. Chuchurudang. Oh, thank you. Let's go try it out. Oh. I'm too tall for this island. Let's sit here. Oops. I'm gonna take this one. You see, you go in this hidden market with almost no tourists because I've spotted a few, and you try the very local island dishes. Chuchurudang. It does look very bloody, but the taste must be nice. Let's pray. Big bite. Also, the sauce is a bit too sweet for me. Usually I like to eat sour, but we got to eat like the islanders do. Very sweet, to be honest. If you had the possibility, ask to not add sugar or anything, but maybe being Italian, I did prefer the other dish more. Honestly, guys, it makes me think too much about a girl on period. I cannot eat this thing anymore. Can I? 4 ringgit. Okay. Here. Thank you so much. It's okay. Oh. No, it's okay. It's okay. He doesn't want to believe it. Thank you. Well, what is the name of this market? What is the name of this market? Swan Paradong Talama. Paradong Talama. Thank you. See you. Have a great day. Mee udang is much better. It's the best one. Thank you. Good job. Mee udang. No, mee sotong. Anyway. Well, it was really good. Thank you so much. See you. Good job. Good job. Thank you. I really like your dish. Sorry guys, I cannot eat sweet stuff. I am allergic to sugar. Oh my gosh. But I'm sure many girls will like that dish, but I cannot. I'm really sorry. But the first one, now we're speaking.